Hello, this is our second idea for a device to pick up and maneuver the recycle bins during our game time. So, how this design works is, as you can see, there are two independent arm mechanisms. Each one is powered by a motor on a winch system, so each one will be able to move up and down freely, independent of one another. And each one is has a circular sort of cutout in them, and would pivot on an axle here or here. Powered by a piston, these would be able to clamp around the outsides of the recycle bin. And then we can move them up and down. The advantage of having them moving independently of one another is if we were to come across a bin that was upside down or tilted or in an awkward position, we would be able to have them be placed in different positions and forcibly move the bin right side up again. It's sort of hard to visualize it here with a drawing, but one would be below and one would be above, and they just sort of move to a singular level and shift the bin right side up again. The way that the ends of these, the movable parts, are machined would be so that there's a lip edge here that can be used to move litter and trash the pool noodles around the field towards the end of the game. Whereas the hill, or like the crest of it, would act as a horn or hook to catch the tops of the bin, allowing it to be more securely held on to the actual bin mechanism, or the bin that we'd be raising and lowering. Both of these winches would be powered by a motor or a gear train that would be able to alternate between a high torque gear and a free spinning gear, so that we wouldn't be losing or sending any back current through our motors when released. And we have built similar things in the past, last year on our robot. That's the basics of how this idea would work. Some of the pistons and things were elongated for easier viewing, like this was elongated for easier viewing during this presentation, so they wouldn't actually be that thick, but this is the general idea of how we were thinking of picking up and maneuvering the bins during game. Thank you.